What's up, guys? It's December 27th, 2024. We have 2 trading days left in this year, and then it's 2025. That's pretty crazy. 2 more breakdowns, and I've done it for a whole year. We've been rocking for a whole year, guys. Bears had some nice legs lower with a gap down. They got continuation, and Bulls had some nice legs higher. So, not the best close for the Bears, but they have the gap down. So, the daily chart should look something like a bear bar, like this, with a tail, something like that. Something how the daily chart should look. Go check it out though. We got it on the tab. So we have that big bear bar with the tail. That's that bull rally. 15-minute daily. This is the daily EMA. This EMA is that EMA on the 15-minute chart. I want to see what this bear close looks like. Okay, so bears did close below the 50% level, but it was a weak close testing this breakout bar right here. I think bulls want to go for another leg higher, and I would like to participate in that. I'm starting a options options account on Robinhood, and I'm gonna swing trades. I'm still day trading. I'm just gonna have this in the background trading 3-bar micro channels. This is my setup on a daily time frame, so why not take it for a swing and make a little bit more money? I took a test run last week and I caught a lot of this sell today. Last week, yesterday I went short around here thinking we were gonna pull back, and I got out around this bar 69.72, something around here. How that works today, so I didn't really get the day trade, but it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna try and swing options and I'll day trade because price action is fractal. So why not take advantage of it? I say it every day. I'm gonna start taking advantage of 2025 and my skills I've been trying to hone in. I'm not doing any call outs. I just think it'll be fun to see how much I started with 200. The count's at 300. That's pretty cool to say. It's trading my own money and I'm trading prop firm money. Yeah, I'm trying to get 1 or 2 more accounts before the end of January, and then I'm just gonna grind them out. And 2026 will be for making money. 2025 will be for just grinding. Anyways, that's enough about me. Let's talk about the price action. We got carried away there. Bears got a leg 1, pullback, implied leg 2. Bulls got a nice 3-bar rally, but there's no gaps here, so that concerns me. You know, a good 3-bar rally will have a gap. But they got a tail here, so this is an inside bar. Not the strongest rally, but nonetheless, it's a 3-bar rally with a pullback testing the breakout point. And with that being said, Bears got a 3-bar sell-off. You could say rally. Bears got a 3-bar sell-off and a deep pullback, and now we're selling off again. So the market's definitely in a trading range because we have 3 bars here and 3 bars here. Right now, I think Bears got a little bit of an upper hand because Bulls cannot break this bar's high. But with that being said, Bears cannot break these bars lows. So I really hope we don't go into a constricting triangle or contracting triangle, whatever you guys call it. But I do think we will see some sideways price action. Excuse me. We have a push 1, a push 2, a push 3. Technically that's breakout mode, but we don't know when this leg's going to be done. Maybe the Bears keep selling off and we get a new low here. Maybe the Bulls buy this first pullback here, because we can't forget that we are in a bull rally, but Bears took out the previous swing low, which has not happened. The last time that happened was around here and it rallied, and then the Bears took out these lows, we rallied, and this was a broad bull channel on the daily. This bull flag here is pretty flat with lots, a lot of overlap over here, and it's pretty flat at highs and it had a bear breakout. So it's not the strongest bull flag. Bears broke below the swing low here. And bulls rallied. They bought this. So the market's definitely in a range bound. Sucks to be a breakout trader. I mean, we can still trade breakouts in the 5-minute nonetheless, but the higher time frames are sideways, so that sucks. 15-minute chart looks pretty nice. We can see 3 legs pretty clearly. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Look how the pullback got stronger. So strong leg, shallow pullback, great short. We have a 2-legged trap here, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, and then leg 3 was pretty weak. and then bulls get their rally. Leg one, pull back, leg two, deep pullback. Bears get a two-legged pullback, leg one, pull back, leg two, rally. This is a strong bar. I think it could get its own second leg. There's a gap here now. This gap has a bear, bull, bull. So it's not the strongest. We want to see a bull, bull, bull. Bull, 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 bull. I don't know why I did that. Okay. Anyways, here's the 5-minute chart. Let's get into it. Bubble. Gap down. 3 bars in a row. First pullback, bar 4. You could short that for 2 reasons. Gap down with continuation. First pullback, we're entering the channel phase. Second reason, the market goes sideways. Bar 4 vacuums to the high and doesn't break the bar 1 high. If you don't want to short the bull bar, you could short bar 5, you could short bar 6, then catch this breakout. You could short bar 7, but if you short bar 7, you got to expect a pullback. Luckily, this pullback was very shallow, so if you did take that short, it was only a few point pullback. But it was but this bar closed on its low, so it should get its own second leg. But if we were to be in a trading range, this would be a better buy, and you could get snapped on. So that's that trading dilemma. Do you want to bet on a breakout? I'm a breakout trader, so I will bet on the breakout. But I would have also like to take the shorts up here and maybe press my position around here. So anyways, strong gap down, 3 bars in a row, pullback, entering the channel phase, and we get another breakout. Bar 7 has enough momentum to reset the count. So we want to think when we see strong momentum that the market cycle is resetting. So let's say that the overnight session, we went to a range bound. We're not looking at the gap down. Range bound, bar 7 breaks out with strong momentum. Bar 8 is the first pullback. So this could be now the start of the new channel phase after bar 7. 9 and 10, leg 2. Bar 11 breaks this trend line here. So now we're in leg 3 here. And what happens in leg 3 is we go range bound. Voila, look at it, look at it. 14, 15, 16, 17 is a bull leg. So now we're not in a bear trend because bulls should not have four bull bars in a row. This is the swing high, put in by 18, 19. Sells off into the low here, and then they rally. So in trading ranges we get delayed pullback, delayed second legs. Leg 1, delayed second leg, deep pullback. Leg 2, bar 24 vacuums to the high, vacuums to the EMA with really bad follow through. 25, 26, 27 reverses and sells. 28, 29, good follow through. Again, same concept. This looks like renewed momentum coming off the EMA. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Leg 3. Leg 3 puts us in a trading range. Bar 40, 41, 42, 43. Bull breakout. Not a strong bull breakout. We got big, small, big. That's a pretty common pattern in price action where we have an expansion, contraction, expansion. On a smaller time frame, this is the second leg. Not a good buy. This is the first bull bar closing above the EMA after 42 bars below the EMA with a gap down. And then we see the pullback, 44. 44 breaks the low of 43, so that creates a second leg. 45, 46, 47, and the high of 48 complete that second leg. This entire price structure is strong enough to get its own second leg. So what I was just counting was leg 1, pullback, leg 2. But then we can count this whole price structure as a breakout. 49, 50, 51. Again, big, small, big. 3 bars in a row. 51 breaking the trend, 52 breaking bar 51's low. 53 looks like good momentum. That's not good momentum compared to these bars. Bears have the upper hand, but compared to these bars, we have a wedge top with a bull breakout. 53 resets the leg count. 50 leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. 66 tests the swing high here, and it reverses. Second leg trap, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Bounce off the EMA, 69. Looks like it's breaking out, and I was really hoping for a test of this low like a vacuum. But I remember when I saw these bars go sideways, I started to get out my contract for the options. Second leg trap, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, leg 1, opposite bar 72, pullback. 75 is testing the breakout point, and then we rally 76, 77, 78. 77 is strong. That's a test here. Trading range, we do trading range vacuums all over the place. A vacuum is a big bar into support or resistance, and they're tricky because they look like breakout bars. So bar 7, it's a vacuum. It's definitely testing some sort of support, but we also broke out. So if we look left, we broke out of these 6 bars. Bar 24, it looks just as strong as bar 7, but we can visibly see it testing the EMA, and we're not breaking out of anything. You guys see the difference between a breakout and a vacuum? Bar 7 is a breakout, bar 24 is a vacuum. 27, 28, 29, 3-bar breakout. You could even count 26. So 4-bar breakout, not breaking out past many bars, but we did break out below 13 swing low, not by much. So we didn't get strong. It was momentum, but not strong momentum. And there was a second leg that was tradable here. Deep pullback 36, 37, leg 3, we go sideways. 49, 50, 51, breakout of this range. Again, it's a breakout, but the bars are small. 53 is a good looking bull bar. If you buy the close, you could be buying the high of, you could be buying into resistance here. We are in a bear regime. We're under the EMA now for the first time in no, not for the first time. This is the 45-minute EMA. So we're under the EMA for the first time in 2 days. So not the strongest bear breakout. We rallied. Bulls want to go back above the EMA and close the gap, but there's not too much time left in the day. 66 is testing the resistance, testing the bar 7 gap. We have a breakout gap here, and that gets tested to 50% level. A little bit prior, a little like 33%. Gets tested, and that's for a good quick swing. If you had a limit order set here, you'd get filled eventually, but you'd have to wait 66 bars and you miss the action. So good day for leg counting, good day for market cycle, good day for the bears, good day for the bulls. Both sides made money. Both sides had visible legs you can count. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, sideways. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, deep pullback, mean reversion, vacuuming into the EMA. You have to buy around here. I think that's a hard buy. I wouldn't really be looking for a bull leg in a bear regime. I'd be more inclined to get short at the EMA and catch this leg lower. Leg 1, deep pullback, leg 2. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Because this is 1 bar on a different time frame. If we go to the 15-minute, look at the rallies here. Really nice rally. That's this leg here. So we had on the 15-minute, leg 1, this is leg 2, this leg 3. You could say this is leg 1, pullback because it breaks the low. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Second leg trap. These bars. Alright, is this price action here? Second leg trap, and then we get a strong rally back to the high of this range. So these bars are these bars, and then this bars are these bars. So you guys see how there's a little bit more synergy here. I like these 3 charts together. 5-minute, 15, and daily I think work well. 45-minute was just existing. I just had it there. This is the 45-minute EMA, and I use that for the higher time frame regime, but I don't use the bars. So let's draw these gaps and draw in some measured moves, and then have a good weekend. Study, relax, spend some time with your loved ones. It's the last week of the year. Tell all your enemies they're going to stay in 2024. No, it's not good to have enemies. I mean, I say that, but like, the reason I say that, okay, that was a funny thing for me to say, because I'm totally one of those guys with a chip on his shoulder. That's what got me started in trading. And I think that's important to have some sort of, maybe, I don't know what the hell I'm saying. What I'm trying to say is, if you wish bad on someone, you're also wishing bad on yourself. So for that, you can't really have enemies, but you can have enemies and still wish them well. And that's price action breakdowns life lesson for 2024. That's actually one of the biggest things I learned, is I wanted all my enemies to burn in hell. And then one day I watched a video with Andy Frisella, and he was like, if you wish bad on people, you're letting that energy into your life, and that's most likely why you're not doing good. It made a lot of sense to me. So I can have enemies, but I have to wish them well. So annoying. It's so annoying, but that's the truth. I want to have good energy. I have to give out good energy even to my enemies. Anyways, I'm just drawing in gaps here and I'll do some measured moves. I got enemies, but I hope they do good this next year. I really like this trade here, but we'll put it a stop order. 1-to-1 is filled quickly, or 1.5 is filled quickly. Then maybe you get short again, because now you see bar 7's breaking out. Short bar 9's not gonna, you're not gonna meet your 1-to-1 without sitting in a range, but your stop technically doesn't get hit. You'd be in a deep, I don't know if you want to sit through that, but if you short the first pullback after bar 7, you get your 1-to-1 pretty quickly, and you almost get your 1.5R. Here's a 3-bar market channel for the 4-bar market channel for the bulls. Deep pullback, 1-to-1's met. In a training range, you go for 1-to-1. In training environments, you swing even more than 1.5 if you can. 1-to-1 is not met here because now we're really low in the training range. We have a gap down. We're getting lower to training range, so you're gonna have to scalp out when you start to see second, third legs. 3-bar market channel, excuse me. Put it on the pullback, that's met. Put it on top of 45, that's met. Another 3-bar market channel, 49 through 51. Put it here. You can buy the high of, you can get a stop order there. You can fade 52. 52 is a weak bear signal, so I think that's a good buy. Weak bear signals are good buys. Bad buy signals are good sells. And then we start to get into the later legs, and this is hard to trade here. The only reason I was in a trade here is because I swang it from yesterday. So yeah, I'm definitely looking. I have to wait for my funds to settle for one day. So on Monday I can't open a swing, but I definitely, depending on Monday's price action, if it's bullish, I might go for a swing into around here until the end of the 8th, I think, is the following week. So yeah, hey guys, happy holidays. It's still the holidays. It's not necessarily Christmas, but I do wish you guys well. Hope you guys are having fun. It's the last weekend of 2024. Enjoy it. Study hard. Hit your head on the wall. Drink some wine. Have some fun. Go say hello to your neighbor. Tell him price action breakdown. Say what's up. And yeah, if you learned something, share the show. Have a good one, everyone. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice night. Please, no drinking and driving. You don't have to be drinking and driving either. Be careful on the road. A lot of people are going to be out drinking and being stupid. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Good night. Bye.